Hi guys, in this video I would be showing you how to install macOS Big Sur 11.0.1 on VMware on Windows 10 on both AMD Ryzen and Intel PCs. So do watch this video till the end to have a working macOS Big Sur virtual machine. Before we begin the installation process, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the subscribe and like button after watching this video to help my channel reach 5000 subscribers. With that out of the way, let's begin the installation process. So the following are the prerequisites. First, you need to have virtualization enabled in the BIOS of your motherboard. If you don't know how to enable virtualization, do a Google search about how to enable virtualization in the BIOS of your particular motherboard. Second, you need to go ahead and download the RAR part files from the links in the description below, which has macOS Big Sur package, which contains all the required files to have macOS Big Sur 11.0.1 up and running on VMware. By the way, I have ran out of MediaFire cloud storage space, hence I am using a new file hosting service provider this time around. If you want to download the Big Sur package from MediaFire, then please use the referral link mentioned in the description below to create a free MediaFire account, which would help me increase my cloud storage space by 1 GB. By the way, I would be making the first comment pinned, which would include answers for frequently asked questions and solutions for commonly faced problems. So do check that comment out before leaving a dislike. If you manage to solve a particular problem which is not mentioned there, do let me know how you did that in the comment section below so that I can include the solution in the pinned comment. Once you have managed to download the RAR part files which contains the macOS Big Sur package, go ahead and create a new folder on the desktop and move all the RAR part files in it. After that, extract the package this way using either WinRAR or 7-zip. Once done, go ahead and close this window. Open macOS Big Sur package. Go ahead and install VMware Workstation Player 15.04 on your PC, the installation file of which I have included in the package. You may ask why exactly this version. Well, this is the version that I found to be working with the latest macOS Big Sur. The latest version of VMware Player, which is 16 as of recording this video, would give you all sorts of problems, so don't use any version of VMware Player beyond 15.1. Only use 15.04 or 15.1, as 15.1 is highly compatible as well, especially if you have an AMD PC. Once the VMware Player 15.04 has been installed, extract the Unlocker 302 zip file. Open the Unlocker 302 folder. Right-click on win-install.cmd file and run it as administrator. Click on Yes. This would unlock the option to install macOS on VMware. Now, go ahead and open VMware Workstation Player. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select I will install the operating system later. Click on Next. Select Apple Mac OS X and from the drop-down menu macOS 10.14, click on Next. Change the virtual machine name to macOS Big Sur. Click on Next. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Change the maximum disk size to 160 GB or more depending on the free space of your solid state drive or hard disk drive or as per your requirement. Don't worry, even if you allot 160 GB, the 160 GB space won't get preoccupied. Click on Next. Click on Customize Hardware. For Big Sur, I would recommend you to allot 4 GB RAM to the virtual machine, but if you have a low spec PC, try 2 GB and see if it works. Now select processor and depending on how many cores your processor has, allot either 2 or 4 cores. I have an 8 core AMD Ryzen processor in my PC, so I would allot 4 cores. Click on Virtualize Intel VTX or AMD V. Now go to CD/DVD SATA and select Use ISO image file. Click on Browse. Go to the desktop, new folder where the macOS Big Sur package is there. Select macOS Big Sur 11.0.1.iso file. Click on Open. Go to USB controller. Change the USB compatibility to USB 2.0 and select Show all USB input devices. Click on Close. Click on Finish. Close the VMware player. Now go to the Documents folder, Virtual Machines folder, macOS Big Sur folder. Right click on macOS Big Sur.vmx file and open it with Notepad. Now go to the macOS Big Sur package folder and open the VMX text file based on the processor you have in your PC. If you have an AMD Ryzen or FX series processor in your PC, open the VMX code for AMD text file. If you have an Intel Core branded processor which was launched in or after 2013, open the VMX code for Intel text document. If you have a Core branded processor in your PC which was launched prior to 2013, and if you face any AVX instruction set related issue, use the code for AMD PCs. As I have an AMD Ryzen processor in my PC, I would open VMX code for AMD text file. I would select this entire code, copy and paste it to the open macOS Big Sur VMX file. A quick note, this is the only different step. Every other step remains the same for both Intel and AMD PCs. Now scroll above and change the virtual hardware.version to 10. Go to File menu, click on Save. Go ahead and close the VMX file, and you can close this file as well. Open VMware player. Select macOS Big Sur. Click on Play Virtual Machine. Click on Next. Select Disk Utility. Click on Continue. Select VMware Virtual SATA hard drive. Click on Erase. Set the name as macOS HDD. And make sure APFS file system is selected and scheme is selected as GUID partition map. Click on Erase. Click on Done. Close this window. Select Install macOS Big Sur. Click on Continue. Continue. Agree. Agree. Select macOS HDD. Click on Continue. This may take a couple of minutes depending on the speed of your solid state drive or hard disk drive. The operating system is being installed. Select your country and click on continue. Click on continue. Not now. Continue. Not now. Set up later. Skip. Agree. Agree. Now create your user account. Continue. Customize settings. Continue. Don't use. Select the time zone and click on continue. I prefer to uncheck this. Click on continue. Set up later. I prefer to uncheck this. Click on continue. You can select the theme that you want and click on continue. macOS Big Sur 11.0.1 has been successfully installed, and now to make it run in full screen mode and to improve its responsiveness plus to enable drag and drop support between macOS virtual machine and Windows 10 host operating system, we need to install VMware tools. So first, we need to eject macOS Big Sur ISO image file. Now go to the player menu, removable devices, CD DVD SATA, settings, select connected, click on browse, select darwin.iso image file, click on open, click on OK. Now double click on install VMware tools. Click on continue, install, put the user account password, click on open security preferences, click on it once again, click on the lock icon, enter the password once again, click on unlock, allow, click on not now, close. Now click on restart to restart the virtual machine. Now you can run the macOS Big Sur virtual machine in full screen mode. Plus you can drag and drop files between guest macOS and host Windows operating system. Thank you for watching this video, guys. My next goal is to make this channel reach 5000 subscribers, so please do hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get a notification once I upload my next video. Plus do not forget to hit the like button as well, and I would really appreciate if you could share this video with your friends. Once again, if you face any problem, check the first comment which I have pinned, which contains solution for commonly faced problems. Have a great day. See ya.